Sino nag-shipping yan? Ah, okay. Ayun, may abang na tayo doon. Para sa next railing, palabas, apat sa labas. Ito, ayan, application tayo nito ng U-heads. Para hindi sabog. Water distribution, riser, ceiling, embedment, ang pipe. Okay. At yun, exhaust meron na. Aircon, embedment din, then exhaust, kitchen exhaust. Yeah. Ceiling fan. So, burn the rear pa siya. Okay. Okay. Bagong buhos kahapon. Next na activity. Succeeding activity. Extension ng roof. Provision ng mga I-beam. And then yung cistern.